how can we improve water quality for life? The biggest issue is that most of the time we don't know where water is. Water is a good which is everywhere and nowhere at the same time. It's pretty invisible when you think of it. And that's a challenge in many different applications.
We all have the responsibility for being good stewards of our planet. Technology and process automation can still play a greater role today and in the future to ensure there's clean water available for one and all.
I have a 10-year-old daughter, so what I care is that she should get clean drinking water no matter she's at home or in the school. As an employee of GF Piping System, I hope I could do more to help more children.
People come together with different backgrounds and they see like a customer pain, for instance. And they come up with ideas, with creativity, there it happens, right? Innovation, there it happens.
There's billions of liters of water used in the industry of drinking water who is not used for drinking purposes. So this is really ridiculous. So we deliver sustainable water to our customers out of sustainable sources by recycling the wastewater on their plants and keep the water on site.
In today's world, we have to decarbonize the way we deal with water. And decarbonizing means reducing the amount of water we pump around. And if we reduce that, it means we have to have much more plants than we used to have. And they have to be decentralized. And if you put a lot of plants a bit everywhere in cities and in regions and in countries, you will not afford to have one engineer and one operator just sitting or standing next to them the full day long. So what do? You have to automate it.
A company like us who has sustainability in our DNA, who delivers sustainable solutions for their customers to create impact, recurrent impact on the environment, also need suppliers who has the same ideas and values on that. Otherwise, your story doesn't match, doesn't fit. And in GF, we found that partner. Imagine in 30 years or within 30 years that our children ask us, Dad, why there was technology? I hope you were smart. There were resources. Why you didn't tackle the problem? Why you didn't start to recycle? Everything was there. Awareness, proven technology. Why this change has not happened? This is a question I don't want to answer to my children within 30 years. We need to act now.
If I look on the different applications we provide solutions for, it's a quite wide range. You have typical drinking water applications for like drinking water monitoring, for instance. You have water treatment, but also when it comes to ultra pure water. When you look at the big microelectronic factories on the world, in many of them you have GF inside because there's ultra pure water is needed.
Water Innovations really specializes in ion exchange and water recycling to produce deionized water. Our main customer base are industrial metal finishers, electronics, and anybody that uses a lot of water to produce deionized water. So we just have a more efficient closed loop by using all the instrumentation and the GF actuation valves to reuse as much of that water as possible. Georg Fischer has been a core aspect of our efforts towards sustainability with their instrumentation and their automation and the whole product line.
For me, the word innovation means being able to recognize a need or issue and create a sustainably better solution than anything previously available.
I think for GF Piping System, we are a leading Swiss company, so it's our responsibility to do innovation, to bring innovation product to our customer.
PureLife Carbon, we are a green ag tech company that provides sustainable growing medium solutions for the indoor agriculture space. At PureLife, we're blazing new trails. We've got new innovation, and we need to carefully select partners that can help us blaze these trails together. GF has been a great partner. We use GF's technology extensively in our tanks. We're measuring flow, temperature, pH levels, and pressure. Our goal is to help out those areas of the globe that can't produce food for their own population, give them food security and safety in a sustainable way. Adding the GF system integrated into our systems, into our treatment process, we've learned tremendous things about their capabilities and their parts. They've enabled us to increase production, create stability and consistency in our product that we didn't know we had the capability of doing. They've been key in making our business more efficient.
In the water industry, digitization is an enabler because it opens new doors. It enables to monitor plants from remote, to operate them without being physically present on site, to see patterns and trends in data which you would not see as a human.
So I think a lot of unused potential is when it comes to getting data out of a process. So there's a lot more information there already and collected, but there is no channel like digital connectivity to get it out.
I think the biggest issues for improving water quality today include an aging infrastructure or insufficient infrastructure. In some areas of the world, there's no infrastructure whatsoever. People need to be more willing to embrace change, such as desalination and water reuse, as well as the need to expand process automation to increase clarity and thus efficiencies in the water treatment process.
Water is everywhere around us. Really, it's everywhere. And we have a very versatile product offering at GF Piping Systems with the aim of being wherever there is water and to help monitor, control, convey that water. And that means we are present in all the possible applications. The limit is the imagination. That is really the beauty of the scattered nature of the good we're dealing with, which is water. It's everywhere, and so are we. We improve water quality for life.